see another baddie is in the room. Welcome back to my channel. It's Kiloki here, and of course I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, today is a mini Prettylittlething haul. This is my first time ordering from Prettylittlething, and honey, my expectation versus reality, two different things. One thing that I like about Prettylittlething is their sizes run big. So some of the clothes that I got today are probably way too big, but we're gonna make it work, period. So let's get into this video. So the first pieces that I got from Prettylittlething was this skirt and this shirt. Now this shirt, honey, is a little risque. The shirt is risque, and if you make a mistake, you might expose yourself. But honey, don't be alarmed. You can definitely adjust the tightness of the shirt and the closeness that you want the shirt to have, and how much it covers up the boobage, so you don't have any type of spillage. No spillage, nothing like that. I really like this shirt. I wanted to do something really bold, because as you guys know, I recently lost 50 pounds a few months ago. So I'm really trying to get into this body confidence thing, and I really just wanted to be bold. So here's the shirt. It's really cute. It gives me 90s vibes if you pair it right. And I really like this shirt. I think it's really cute and it's really bold. So I'm really loving this shirt. So the next item I have is this skirt. Now I did order this skirt a size too big. I could have went down a size. So this skirt was a size 22. I should have probably went to a 20. Prettylittlething's clothes really do run big. So you might want to get a size down, or at least that was the issue in my case. But I just want to pair it with a belt to give it some tightness, to give my waist some cinch, so it doesn't look so big on my waist and looks like it's falling. So if you did get something that's a little too big, you can always cinch it with a belt. So that's my idea when my clothes are too big for me. So this is the first two pieces that I got. I really like these pieces. These pieces really can go together, honestly, if you wear them correctly. If you wear them correctly, these pieces really can go together. So again, I got this shirt and this skirt. Let me know in the comments if you like this outfit together, or would you pair it with something else in the video. Let me know. Let's go on to the next outfit. So the next item that I have is this ribs kind of collared long sleeve crop top. I know it's spring, summer, but it's still slightly a little cold here in Georgia for whatever reason. So I just went and got this because it's cropped, so it's still giving me some air, but at least my arms won't be cold. And girl, honey, we can wear it next fall, next winter, period, honey. And I really like this top. It's super cute, simple. You can pair this with some jeans, a skirt, leggings. You can really do whatever you want with this shirt. I really like the collar. The collar gives it some type of flair. And then for it to be a crop top, I love crop tops. And it's a long crop top, like it doesn't come right up under your boobs. It gives you some coverage here where my back fat stops. It gives me some coverage, so I like that it has a little bit of length on it, so I can feel comfortable wearing tights or wearing leggings or wearing some pants that's smaller than my shirt, or has a smaller fit than my shirt. Because I don't know about you, if I have on a tight shirt, my pants have to be loose. If I have on a loose pants, my shirt has to be tight. You know, we have to keep it cinched. We have to make sure everything looks good. But I really love this top. I'm going to show you a little bit closer. Like I said, it has some length, so that's really good. I like the collar. It gives it some flair, and we have a nice opening. Honey, if you had perky titties, maybe you could give some cleavage. I don't know. You can have fun with this top, but I really like this top, and I could really wear this all year round, except for summer maybe. Well, I could probably wear this to, I would probably wear this as a swimming top too, because I would probably wear this as a swim top too because I can't be out in the sun. I'll break out really bad. And this is giving me coverage, and it has thick material so the sun won't penetrate through and still get to me. So I probably would wear this with the bikini bottoms, like no cap. But we'll see how that goes. So this is the top. Again, I really love this top, and I will leave the details in the description box. So let's get on to the next part of the outfit. All right, y'all. I know what y'all thinking. These some big pants. Like I said, Prettylittlething, their sizes run big. Honey, I got just one size up. Just one size up. And world, I get parachute pants. But honestly, I'm not even tripping. I really like the look. Like, it's giving me 90s. Giving me 90s vibes, you know, Fresh Prince vibes, especially the top. Like, it's giving it to me. And even if I wanted to switch it up or change it up, baby, if something is too big, what do? You cinch your waist with a belt. Period. So I'm going to just cinch my waist real quick. Cinch my waist real quick. Honey, we're gonna always make it work, baby. We're gonna always make it work. Period, point blank. Okay. Let's see. So you want to start by pulling your pants on your waist and then cinching your belt. So I'm gonna keep pulling, moving, cinching. So yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. I promise when I pop out with these pants, do not worry because I'm going to wear them the correct way. But these pants are so big, y'all. Like, they are so big. I really did not expect for these pants to be so big. But really what got to me was, I don't know why I still shop like I'm 300 plus pounds. And I literally be scared to go to the next size up because it's like, are you really a size down, sis? Like, for real? So honestly, I be in my own head about it, and I probably was in my own head about these pants because I thought they weren't going to fit on my waist and I need a bigger size when the pants already were supposed to be bigger than you anyway. So that was a lot for me, but I promise I'm going to make these pants work. I'm going to make these pants work. We're going to have to do something, honey, because we bought them. And I'm not one of those people to return things unless I'm just truly dissatisfied. But we're going to do something with this. No worries, sis, period. So let's get on to the next couple fits. I think I only have 2 dresses to try on. Like I said, this was a mini Prettylittlething haul. Just a mini haul. I just wanted to show you guys my clothing before I go on vacation. I am going to go on vacation Monday. So I just wanted to try my clothes for you guys. So, let me try on these last 2 dresses. Alright, guys. So this is the next dress that I got. I really wanted this dress because I wanted to sport it up a little bit. Like, I really wanted to put tennis shoes with it, maybe have a short everyday bob with a nice bag with socks. You know, I really just wanted to get in my bag with something cute but casual. It's very breathable. I could wear this summer. I could wear this spring, honey. Very breathable, and it's short. It's not like it's a midi or is, you know, right at my knees. It gives me some breathing room. The shoulder area is beautiful. It gives me some breathing room because it's long sleeves, and I do have to be cautious about what I wear in the winter time, in the summertime I mean, or when the sun is out, period. So I really like this. Really cute. I like this color because it's nude. You can literally pair nude with any color, and it's going to come out bomb. It's gonna come out bomb, period. And like I said, I like that it's breathable. It kind of reminds me of a glam-like t-shirt dress because of the fit. I just really like the fit. I think it's cute. I think we can go to dinner with this when you know, the economy opens back up and you know, we don't gotta worry about COVID-19 anymore. Period. Quarantine teens, quarantine babe, make sure you're wearing your mask if you are outside. Stay in your home, please, so we can all come out as a collective when it's safe. When it's safe. Okay? Okay. But I just really love this. It flatters. It doesn't make me look like a box. It doesn't make me look like a box. Rectangle. I really love this dress. So we have one more dress to try on, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on for you guys now. Alrighty guys, this is the last dress, honey. I really don't know what plans I have for this dress. I don't know what plans I have for this dress. I always want to do something sporty, but I might have to dress this one up. This one might have to dress it up and make it real form in this, honey, for real. I really love that it has this cute little opening. This will give us some under boobage. You know, the pockets are really good. I feel like I can, you know, really get into it, but not too much because, honey, we don't want spillage. So I feel like I will be one of those girls that's pulling this up all night, unless I'm just gonna wear this to dinner. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna be cute, and we're not gonna move. Because I don't have the biggest tits. I honestly don't have tits at all. So like, I know that my boobs are gonna be falling out of this, but if you really have the perfect cut for this, you should be fine. This is a size 20, I believe, 20 or 22 one. I'll definitely have the sizes linked below. But this is what the dress looks like from behind. Really cute, favorable. I really like it. It looks like it'll be a good time. Seriously. It looks like it'll be a good time. Honestly, let me put it down. And like, it flatters as well. I don't like a box. You know, we can always use shapewear for reinforcement. But honey, Prettylittlething did not disappoint me. I would have to get my sizing together because again, Prettylittlething runs a little bit big. So I do have to get my sizing together. Other than that, shopping from the site was really good. Other than that, looking for everything was pretty good. I really had a good experience for my first time shopping at Prettylittlething. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was really short and really mini. I will have a bunch of more hauls coming up for you guys, so do not worry. Make sure you check out my recent uploads so you can be updated on what's going on my channel. And with that being said, make sure you stop right here, stop right now, and subscribe to my channel. Stop right now, stop what you're doing, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can be notified on when I upload content. Thank you guys so much for coming to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button because we have so many more of these coming up. If you like videos like this, leave a comment and be another baddie in the room, okay? If you like these videos, subscribe, leave a comment to become another baddie in the room, period, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Turn on those post notifications. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.